Seems like every day we're hearing about cryptocurrency, but do you actually know what it is or how to use it? Well, today we're going to talk with Bill Noble. He's the Chief Technical Analyst for Token Metrics. Thanks for joining us.
Hi, thanks for having me.
Okay, so I want to know why people should be investing in this.
If you go to the grocery store, you've undoubtedly noticed that the price of everything is going up and up and up and up.
Yeah.
Your dollar's not going far enough. So you need a different currency, maybe something in your PayPal account that can go up and up and up as fast as your grocery bill. And the only thing that can do that is cryptocurrencies. It gives you more dollar purchasing power so that you can be empowered to survive this environment.
Why are big banks and established investors changing their tune on crypto?
Okay, great question. Institutions know that the United States and other countries have been printing money for so long. They've been doing things that are way outside the economics textbook. That's what's creating inflation and could create other types of problems. Sophisticated investors know this, and they've also been watching the price performance. I mean, let's face it, people want to bet on winning horses. They want to invest where things are going up. The returns in crypto and the case for crypto are so compelling that the big boys got to get in.
What about people who are already kind of invested in the stock market? How do they get started in, something that's completely different?
All right, well, there are some things in the stock market that allow them to get involved, like Coinbase, which is the New York Stock Exchange of crypto, is publicly traded. Okay, the symbol is coin. GBTC, Grayscale Trust, is something that, you can get on the equity market and you're buying a piece of an entity that owns a bunch of Bitcoin. The same entity has something for Ethereum, which is kind of like the silver to Bitcoin's gold. They have ETHE, and worse comes to worse, it doesn't hurt to open up a Coinbase account yourself.
So we've all heard about Bitcoin itself, but you're saying there are several others, even thousands of others.
Right. There are thousands of crypto assets. Okay. The big cryptocurrencies are Bitcoin, Ethereum, okay, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, and Nano. Now, I know that's kind of a big mouthful, but each one of those is a form of digital money that they are accepted. And you can go to your PayPal account and PayPal sorts it out for you. Like PayPal has like a get involved in crypto button. Boop. And there it is on your phone, all the different forms of cryptocurrency. Now, there are other things called altcoins, right? Crypto assets, digital assets that do various things like tech stocks, the future of the internet itself. We call it Web3. That's what Token Metrics, my firm, specializes in, is helping people invest in the future of not only money, but the future of technology.
All right, Bill, where can people get more information?
Tokenmetrics.com. Okay. And if you want to watch us on television, we have a TV network on our site. And if you're just new, we have a live stream we do on Sunday night.
Okay.
That's youtube.com/tokenmetrics.
All right. Well, thank you so much for your time. I already learned so much.
Thanks for having me.
Of course. And if you'd like to see this segment again or get more information, go to firstcoastliving.net.